Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. I am learning 5 new words daily as a part of vocabulary building. I thought making a video of my learning would help many people. Please do watch the video, share your valuable feedback and also correct me if I commit any mistakes regarding the content of pronunciation. I hope you are as ready as I am to start learning and having fun. We're in this together, so let us respect and support each other. Thank you and have a great day. Simple tip. Try to use these words in your daily life to memorize well and expand your vocabulary. End of the day, we are what we repeatedly do. Excellence then is not an act but a habit. Suffice, be enough. Let's take 5 example sentences. Government funding on its own won't suffice for education. A simple one sentence answer would have sufficed the husband, but the wife just could not keep her explanation concise. My friend says a simple thank you will suffice everything. Suffice to say that it did not meet our expectations. The examples are simply too vast to list, but these 5 examples should suffice. Brush up, an act of improving existing knowledge or skill in a particular area. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to brush up on your English speaking skills. Brush up on your math skills for business. You need to brush up your makeup skills and opt for a look that never fails to impress. Everyone should brush up on their language skills. You can find many free online courses on the internet that will help you brush up on your knowledge. Pretext, a false reason to justify an action. A man kidnapped a girl on the pretext of buying her chocolates. There are always good pretexts to postpone the trips. Fraudsters duping people on the pretext of raising funds for the Ram temple. A rich man was assaulted and robbed in a car on the pretext of a lift. A woman duped a man on the pretext of dating. Feign, pretend, fake. Let's check 5 example sentences. She accepted the invitation with feigned enthusiasm. He cheated her lover and feigned ignorance. Feigning enthusiasm for a job during an interview is not a good thing. The authorities feigned ignorance. Man feigns serious COVID infection to leave wife and child for his girlfriend. Incriminate. Cause to appear guilty of a crime. Let's check 5 example sentences. Incriminate. Cause to appear guilty of a crime. The police raided his room, seizing the incriminating evidence from his possession. Have enough evidence to incriminate China for sending terrorists to the United States of America. People incriminate themselves to social media. His own words incriminate him. Man cuts face to incriminate his girlfriend. And here is one motivational quote. Today's motivational quote is, push yourself because no one else is going to do it for you. Please remember this motivational quote and work hard.